May the gains be with you, my young Padawan.
Grandmaster-OBI, Jedi Knight of the stock market.
Attention all NKE shareholders. Today's earnings report announcement is going to have a huge and a negative effect for the Q1 2025. Stick around, guys. I'm going to give you my end of the week price prediction for NKE next week. Also, you're going to get today's price prediction alongside KULR. If you're still holding the stock, ladies and gentlemen, can you please comment the ticker symbol in the comment section below? KULR seems as though that this thing is getting ready to see more retracement throughout the trading day. So stick around. You're going to hear my price prediction for end of the day for KULR. Also, we're going to take a brief look and check out FDX, ladies and gentlemen. Huge news here on today's trading with them actually doing a spinoff. Stick around. I'm going to give you my end of the week for next week price prediction for FDX. So with no further ado, let's dive right in. But before we do so, don't forget, ladies and gentlemen, I will be going live here today, 15 minutes before the trading day, which is 8:15 a.m. Central Time. And guys, when you first get over here, make sure you hit that notify me button so you will be notified when the live stream starts. And just to let everyone know out there, we're waiting to get 200 likes here in today's video in order to open up the live chat for everyone. So right after this video, guys, get over here, hit that like button, get this thing to 200 likes so we can open this live chat up for everybody. And let's dive right in. First stock we're going to talk about here in today's video, of course, is FDX. Great news here today, ladies and gentlemen, and that is FedEx is planning on doing a spin off its freight trucking division. As you all know, FedEx is a cornerstone when it comes to the trucking industry, and seeing as though that they're planning to do a spinoff, that is very, very interesting. In fact, FedEx is somewhat a traditional style company, so seeing them do something like this is always going to get investors interested. First thing you want to pay a close attention to here for FedEx, ladies and gentlemen, if we go to the financials here really quickly, we're going to make this really quickly, guys. But as you guys can see here, the last EPS, we did actually fall short of their expectations, and I believe that is why FedEx is trying to pivot here currently, so they can save themselves, because currently right now FedEx is losing a lot of market share to companies like Amazon and UPS. With that being said, ladies and gentlemen, FedEx, with this type of news, I do feel as though that it's going to set itself up for a hot 2025. But before I give you my end of the week price prediction for FedEx, I just want you guys to take a brief look and check out what's going on here with Nike, because this is serious. Anytime that Nike tends to have a terrible earnings report like we heard here today, this thing tends to find itself in a multi-day retracing situation. In fact, ladies and gentlemen, this thing tends to retrace for weeks after a bad earnings report, and we have been getting those quite a lot here in NKE. With that being said, I do feel as though that the end of the quarter price prediction for NKE is right around $49. I do expect massive downwards pressure here in NKE, ladies and gentlemen, the first quarter of 2025, due to the very low expectations for said quarter. With that also being said, we're seeing market share being captured from Nike, and this is something that we haven't seen on a consistent basis since Nike has been a company. In case you were wondering what trading platform I am using, it is called Moomoo. If you do want to sign up for Moomoo, remember using my sign up link in the description below will grant everyone these perks you see here on the screen. All you have to do is make your initial deposit of only $100. But not only will you get 15 free stocks, but for those that don't know how to read indicators or charts, don't worry, Moomoo have you covered with the interpretations of indicators chart. This easy to use tool makes it very simple on understanding whether a stock is bearish or bullish. And you will also see me refer to this chart quite often in my videos. So again, using my sign up link while signing up for Moomoo, you get a lot to gain and nothing to lose. Also, ladies and gentlemen, I do feel as though that we're going to see a ripple effect far as analyst ratings go here in NKE. I do feel as though that this is the type of news that may change the thought of a few analysts, ladies and gentlemen. If we take a brief look and just check out their analyst rating here really quickly. And if you made it this far in the video, can you please comment in the comment section below the words "still here with you." The comments really do help the channel grow. But as you guys can see here, 58% of the 29 base analysts has this thing set at a buy rating currently, with 41% being a moderate hold. With that being said, I do feel as though that we're going to see a major shift here going from buy to hold within the next 2 weeks. And that news also will have a negative effect here on the share price. Now, my end of the day price prediction here for NKE, ladies and gentlemen, I do feel as though that the stock stands a very great chance to fall sub $67 here throughout the trading day, ultimately setting itself up for more retracement here early next week. Next stock we're going to go back to here really quick, and then we're going to do KULR. But FedEx, I do feel as though that this stock also here next week, ladies and gentlemen, stands a very great chance to cross those $300 levels. And I do feel as though that those $300 levels this time around will be sustainable, okay? Especially if their spinoff actually goes in the right direction, all right? Last but not least, we're going to talk about KULR. And for those that was a part of our Discord server, actually caught my KULR alert in real time. In fact, ladies and gentlemen, I alerted KULR for the entry price of $1.33 back on the 4th of December. And if we take a brief look and check out the price action on that, as you guys can see here, the stock ran as high as $3.67 here yesterday. And in today's pre-market trading, well, yesterday's pre-market trading, sorry about that, it ran as high as $3.53. With that being said, ladies and gentlemen, that is what you call a home run play. And you too can get these alerts in real time. All you have to do is stop what you're doing, drop down in that description below, click that Discord link, and let the gains begin. But not only will you get my alerts in real time, you will get the entire Making Easy Money in-house analyst alerts as well. We have options alerts, day trade alerts, swing trade alerts. We even have short sell alerts. So if any of this interests you, get over here immediately and make sure you check out the MEM testimonials so you will be able to see firsthand the type of money that the Making Easy Money members are making thanks to, again, these accurate in-house analyst alerts. Now, KULR, ladies and gentlemen, major retracement from yesterday's high, of course, but we did see a cool down in the entire sector. With that being said, it's going to be very interesting how the market reacts to the opening share price here in KULR, seeing as though that we're back towards those low $2 levels. I do feel as though that we're going to see a rally here in KULR here shortly after the open, ladies and gentlemen. I can't say that's going to be sustained with a throughout the day run, but I do feel as though that we're going to see the market react positively to KULR's open. I want to know your thoughts on that here in the comment section below, and don't forget to give me your end of the week for next week price prediction for all three of these stocks. And like I said before, guys, I will be going live here in about an hour and 15 minutes. With that being said, you do not want to miss out on this live stream because Friday tends to be my best trading days, and I'm going to have tons of alerts for you guys here today. So with no further ado, I'm going to let you guys go, and may the gains be with you. Don't forget to consider joining our Discord. The sign up link is in the description below.